Hey y'all, Fuzzy Biker here, just having a great motorcycle day. Check out what I got here today. I put 100 miles on that green framed one over yonder already. I got here today, just hopped off of that, just having all kinds of fun on it, you know. And look what I found here. And the owner came out. This is a pipe that I put the AEW Cat Delete and AEW end pipe on. Well, the owner I was supposed to help him put these shocks on, but I didn't make it. I got distracted, you know, I ran late, all that neat stuff. That here was all done. He's actually loading them up to take them to a World of Wheels show this weekend. He put these Noleen shocks on here. Noleen? I didn't know what that's pronounced to say that, but look at them. They're really good looking. I can't remember what he said he paid. $700-800, something like that. Little rubber bound on the bottom there, you know. But they're very good looking shock. Very good looking. I don't know what kind of adjustments they have on them. I should have asked him that, huh? I'm sure they're adjusted. He said they're made for your weight and your usage. You can obviously you can adjust this. Maybe that's anyway. One of the big things on these bikes is the ride. And I just got done riding this, and the bumpy road out here pounded me pretty good. It is smoother than it was. These shocks are starting to break in. I'm starting to get happy with them. The benefit of these shocks and this system is that it handles very well. I like the way it, you know, the feel they have with the road. You're very connected. This is supposed to give you the same kind of feel with a better ride. I did a 3 miles out, 3 miles back on this real rough road. It seems better. I think the shocks need to be broken in. I think what we're going to have to do is, I'm going to have to borrow this bike. I think he'll lend it to me. I have to borrow it and put, you know, 100 miles on it. Do the kind of the same ride I did today. I did 100 miles on that one. Maybe I can do the same ride on this. We got, maybe next week, I'll see if I can talk him into that. How's that sound? And then we would get a very good idea on the shocks and on the pipe system also. How the two bikes handle, what kind of improvements there are on this one versus that one. I will say this one is faster. I did get a little more top speed out of this bike than that. I think it's a little quicker. When I left here, I did a little bit of motorcycle fun. And as far as the shocks go, I think they're slightly better right now, but they're not broken. You know, I was the second one to ride. He just rode it down the road himself. But boy, what a fun motorcycle this is going to be. These are, you know, pure entertainment on wheels. Now, if y'all are interested in something like this, newer used Royal Enfield Triumph Classic British bike of any type, need parts, accessories, thingamajigs, doodads, anything at all. Shirts, t-shirts, jackets, helmets, gloves, anything. Get yourself over to Baxter Cycle right there in the mighty metropolis of Marnie, Iowa, or go to baxtercycle.com. Tell them fine folks that Fuzzy Biker sent you. That's me. Hit like and subscribe. It's a beautiful day here. I've done a bunch of riding. I'm going to get a bunch more in yet today. Y'all get out and ride, my friends. Life is good. Wahoo!
Wahoo! Wahoo! Wahoo!